In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects in PowerPoint. Now, grouping objects can really streamline your design process, especially when you're working with multiple elements that you want to move or format as a single unit. It's a handy feature that can make your PowerPoint presentations much more efficient and manageable. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you've located it, go ahead and open the link to access your PowerPoint application. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll want to do that now. Enter your credentials to get started, and make sure you're in the right account to access your presentations. Once you're in, navigate to the slide with the objects you'd like to group. Now comes the key part, selecting the objects. You have a couple of options here. You can hold down the Control key if you're using all individual clicks, or the Shift key if you prefer, and then click each object you want to be part of the group. Another method, which is often quicker, is to click and drag your mouse to create a selection box around all the objects you plan to group. This way, you ensure everything you need is included. With your objects selected, it's time to group them. There are two main ways to do this. You can use a convenient keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+G. It's super quick and great when you're in a hurry. Alternatively, if you prefer using the mouse or need a visual approach, head over to the ribbon. Click on either the Shape Format or the Picture Format tab that will appear when your objects are selected. In this tab, look for the Arrange section, and you'll see the Group option. Click on it, and then select Group from the drop-down. Your objects are now grouped together, acting as a single item. Now, let's say you need to make changes to individual elements within your group or decide to ungroup them back to their original state. Ungrouping is just as straightforward. Again, you have two options. If you like using shortcuts, press Ctrl+Shift+G. But if you're following along on the ribbon, go back to the Shape Format or Picture Format tab. Once more, find the Group option in the Arrange section, click on it, and this time select Ungroup from the drop-down menu. And that's it. You now know how to group and ungroup objects in PowerPoint, which should help you work more fluidly with your presentations. Keep practicing these steps, and soon, grouping and ungrouping will become second nature whenever you're designing in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.